Sometimes I have to sleep with the shoes on. Because my feet are just started. When I first started, I had that club foot. I woke up one morning, my foot was turned all the way to something.
So we'll do the same thing here. Start with the little one. You can relax, don't worry.
Relax your toe.
No, relax. There you go.
There you go.
Oh! Run for cover.
I'm putting my where my glass? It came too close.
It'd be your own people, huh?
Uh-huh. Oh, you like that, huh?
I'm just wondering how did you ever get the patience for this here?
Who you? I have the patience for making the patient feel better.
Is that something you always wanted to do?
To deal with feet.
Yeah.
I was going to be a doctor.
Uh-huh.
And I didn't know what I wanted to do in medicine. But then I realized I always like to work with my hands.
One of them popped over here while
Did it really?
he looking out doing.
Yeah. That's why I try not to speak when I'm clipping if I don't have anything on.
No.
Well, now I can because I have a mask on. But before, once I'm clipping, I keep my mouth. It's never happened. Hasn't happened yet. But well, I shouldn't say yet because that means I'm expecting it. Okay.
It's the last
You
one.
You ready?
Ready.
Ready, Freddie? Imagine if someone's name was really Freddie. Oh, they won't hear the last of that one.
Goodbye.
How about those hand things for this purpose?
You ain't see me. I know you do. I got my eyes closed. Bye-bye, y'all. Well,
It's for all the stuff you were saying earlier. His toenails are getting at you.
You pop them now. I got this one.
Yeah. Gotta have patience to do what she's doing.
You're looking from behind the blanket.
The first one bounced off the wall. It's okay. Now you might be hooking him up to run off on me now.
50 some years, he ain't got nowhere.
He ain't going nowhere.
Mm-hmm. Right?
We didn't even get to celebrate this year. He went in on our random
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. You went in the hospital February the 7th. Our anniversary was the 8th.
Aw.
Mm-hmm.
My upper arm actually took her.
It hurt.
I'm gonna have a cramp tomorrow. Okay, let me use my other muscles. This is why I work out.
That's what I'm trying to figure out what makes me cramp up, cause my hands, my arms, and my legs and feet. And I asked my doctor, excuse me?
They check your electrolyte levels.
Mm-hmm. I bought me some magnesium
Okay.
and some calcium and see if that'll help any.
Have you been taking it?
Uh-huh.
And?
Well, I just started taking it. I just, she had called and said I needed some calcium.
Okay.
So I read up on magnesium, so I said, well, I might as well get a bottle of this magnesium too. But I hadn't had a cramp, started cramping last night, but I didn't take it yesterday.
Okay.
That was a big chunk.
Right.
That was a big chunk.
That was a big chunk.
That's a good one. Okay.
When you go to the doctor's office, you have to turn your phone off.
Until you've been doing this over 7 years.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sorry?
You've been doing this over 7 years.
Yep.
Let somebody know what they doing. You can't be scared of all the doctors. Some of them are good. I love all my doctors. I pray for them.
Oh, that's good.
I do. I tell the Lord, you're the head doctor in charge, and thank you for your assistance that I always take care of me. And every time I go, I get a good doctor report. So I'm going to pray for his doctors now.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
A little tender right there.
Okay.
Okay, can this be bought at the pharmacy?
Yes,
I know
ma'am.
they have the big one, the little blue jar.
Yep.
Okay.